Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are here to improve your English through real conversations, you are in the right place.
And today's topic is something we all need: motivation and self confidence. So grab your headphones, relax, and try to listen carefully.
You can also pause and repeat after us. That's the best way to improve your speaking skills.
So let's begin our conversation.
Ria, have you ever felt like you are not good enough?
Honestly, yes, many times, especially when I compare myself to others.
Same here. I scroll social media and suddenly feel like everyone is doing better than me.
Exactly. It's like everyone is achieving something and I am just stuck.
But do you think that's the full reality?
No, I don't think so. People only show their highlights, not their struggles.
Right. So maybe we are comparing our behind the scenes with someone else highlights real.
So, what actually motivates you when you feel low?
Honestly, small goals, I don't try to do everything at once.
That's smart because big goals can feel overwhelming.
Exactly. Like if I want to improve my English, I just focus on learning 5 words a day.
That's such a simple but powerful strategy.
What about you? What motivates you?
I remind myself why I started, my dreams, my goals. That gives me energy.
But what about failure? Doesn't it demotivate you?
It used to, but now I see failures as a lesson.
That's a strong mindset.
Yeah, because every failure teaches something. If you don't fail, you don't grow.
True. Even successful people failed many times.
Exactly. The difference is they didn't quit.
Do you think confidence comes naturally?
No, I think it's built over the time
How?
by taking small actions like speaking even when you are scared.
That's so true. Confidence grows when we step out of our comfort zone.
Yes, and also by being kind to yourself.
That's important. We are often our biggest critics.
So, Aisha, do you practice positive thinking?
Yes, I try, but sometimes negative thoughts just come automatically.
Same here, but I replace them consciously.
Like how?
If I think I can't do this, I change it to yes, I will try my best.
That's powerful. Words really affect our mindset. Do you think motivation is enough?
No, not really. Motivation comes and goes.
Then what matters more?
Discipline, doing things even when you don't feel like it.
That's tough, but true.
Yeah, because success is not about mood, it's about consistency.
So, what advice would you give to someone who feels stuck?
Start small. Don't wait for the perfect moment.
I would say stop comparing yourself with others.
And believe in yourself, even if no one else does.
Also, practice daily, even 10 minutes can make a difference.
Yes, improvement is a process, not a shortcut.
So, guys, we hope this conversation helped you not only improve your English.
But also give you some motivation to keep going in life.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent.
And don't forget, every small step counts.
If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
And comment below what motivates you.
Keep practicing, keep growing
And we will see you in the
in the
next
next video.
video.